Hello engineers, so let's try to solve this sample problem. So yung problem natin is a separately excited DC motor runs at 800 RPM with constant field excitation while having an armature current of 40 amperes at 115 volts. The armature resistance is 0.15 ohms. Calculate the speed of the motor if the load increases to 70 amperes at 115 volts. So sa problem na to engineers, isi-solve natin siya with purely Caltech solution. So sa calculator nyo, enter mode 3 and then 2. So let's simulate. Enter mode 3 and then piliin natin tong linear mode which is 2. So this will be our display. Meron tayong X column at saka Y column. So sa table natin, sa X column is yung ilalagay natin sa X column is yung mga current at saka sa Y column is yung back EMF. At current source voltage divided by armature resistance, yung back EMF niya is 0. At current equal to 0, yung back EMF niya is equivalent sa source voltage. So therefore, input natin at first row, yung source divided by the armature resistance, yung magiging result na back EMF is 0. At current equal to 0 naman, yung magiging result na back EMF is equivalent to source voltage. So input natin to sa calculator natin, engineers. At current 115 divided by the armature resistance na 0.15, yung magiging back EMF niya is 0. And then for current 0, yung magiging back EMF niya is 115. So para ma-solve natin itong problem na to, engineers, so ito yung magiging display natin. So para ma-solve natin yung problem, is gamit tayo ng ganitong formula. Para ma-solve natin yung bagong speed, it is equivalent to the speed at condition 1 times the load current at condition number 2 divided by the load current at condition number 1. So N1 times I2 y hat divided by I1 y hat. So enter EC. And then input natin. So yung N1 natin is 800 RPM times sa load at condition number 2 natin is 70 y hat divided by the load at condition number 1 which is 40 and then y hat. So input natin 800 times 70 y hat. So para mas kuha natin yung y hat, that is shape 155. So that is shape 155 divided by the load current at condition number 1 which is 40 and then y hat, shape 155. So after nyo ma-input, enter equal. So enter equal natin. So that is, yung magiging result natin dito is 767.97. So that is letter D. So simulate natin ulit. Mode 3 to. And then input natin 115 divided by 0.15. And then yung current 0. So yung magiging back EMF niya is 115. EC, then 800 divided by 70 y hat. 800 times 70 y hat rather, divided by 40 y hat. So equal, that is 766.97. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.